Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Sean Sublett from the Richmond Times-Dispatch with the afternoon weather briefing for this Wednesday, January 12th. For the short term, no changes. Things look dry through Saturday. The Arctic air actually comes in on Saturday, so until then, we'll still have temperatures pretty close to normal. But Saturday, we'll have highs in the 30s to about 40 degrees, and that will set us up for the winter storm on Sunday. It does not look like it's going to be snowing when you wake up on Sunday morning. The whole event, if you will, looks like it's going to hold off a few more hours. So whether it starts snowing 9, 10 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, or maybe closer to noon or 1 is still up for some discussion, but does not look like it's going to be snowing on Saturday or Saturday night. Then as the storm goes on, after we get a few hours worth of snow, there will be a changeover. Likely to some ice and then ultimately rain for a period later in the day or more likely into the nighttime. And the temperatures will actually climb a few degrees through the course of the evening or at night. So we do not see an ice storm developing at all. I would not be too concerned about ice caking on trees, power lines, or anything like that. It does look like this is snow and then probably rain after that. So there will be a few hours of snow before the changeover. So how much will be on the ground before that happens? That's obviously still up for debate. The storm's 4 days away. As we're recording this on Wednesday afternoon, the storm is only coming on shore into the Pacific Northwest. So to give an idea of the scope or the scale, again, for Metro Richmond, we'll say a few inches of snow, 3, 4, maybe 5. But there will tend to be higher amounts on the western side of the metro area toward Glen Allen, Midlothian, and lower amounts to the eastern side of the area, Mechanicsville, Sandston, and Highland Springs. So that's kind of where the brain is right now. But to emphasize, storm is 4 days away. There's a lot of time to tweak and refine the forecast. This is just kind of the ballpark of where we are for the time being. The devil's in the details, as they say. But everything will be done by first thing on Monday morning, if not before that. We kind of envision this getting in and getting out pretty quickly. So by the time you wake up on Monday morning, it is all done. But one thing we do feel pretty strongly about, the heaviest snow is going to be in the western part of the Commonwealth. Areas toward the Blue Ridge Parkway, Shenandoah Valley, Interstate 81 corridor, they're going to be the big winners for snow fans, where 8 to 12 inches is going to be common in those locations. And some places may even do a few more inches beyond that. Thanks for joining us for the weather briefing. We remind you, subscribe to the Richmond Times-Dispatch and follow us on both Twitter and Facebook.